How to view all reports or certain reports. If you are a franchise manager, contact your head office for assistance to access the reports required. If you are the owner of the organization, you by default will have all access to reports on Enterprise. With the right permissions, you can access any reports available on Unity by going to the Springboard menu. Scroll down to Reporting. Then select Reports. Here you will see a full list of available reports you can choose from. The reports are categorized by purpose. For example, all the sales reports are under Sales Reports. Once you have selected a report you would like to view, simply select the parameters you would like to view, then click Generate. Once the report is generated, it can be downloaded or viewed by clicking this icon in the top right of the screen. To view the report, click here on the eye icon. To download the report, you can click on the download icon over here and choose either the PDF or Excel, then click on the device icon here to download to your device.